so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad,
Yeah.
baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad, chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like
Hi there! Wow, very excited today because we have a new smartwatch from Xiaomi, the Redmi Watch 2 Lite. Now, don't let the word light confuse you because this one is a huge upgrade from its predecessor. First, it's got a bigger display, then over 100 plus fitness modes, it's got a new magnetic charger and built-in GPS that now supports 4 major global positioning systems. क्या बात है? So I can't wait to check it out. Let's quickly unbox it and have a closer look at it. But before we begin, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss an update. Also follow me on my social media handles, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. The handle name is Mr. Tech Singh. Don't forget. Alright, let's straight dive into the unboxing. So here is the retail packaging of the Redmi Watch 2 Pro. Wow, that's a nice colorful box with a picture on the top. On the back are some manufacturing details. On the top are some specifications, color HD display, long battery life, SpO2 monitoring, multi-navigational system, 100 plus fitness modes and 5 ATM water resistant rating. The MRP is 7,999 but don't worry, you can get it for a lot lesser. Chalo, let's unbox it. आओ unbox करें, जाग उठा मौसम. बहुत गाने गा रहा हूँ आजकल. So inside the box is the watch itself, a quick start guide in English, a proprietary charger with magnetic terminals on one side and a USB-A port on the other. Okay, so the previous Redmi watch actually has a dock charger, which also is quite good and I have no complaints, but probably not the most compact charger when it comes to traveling. The new charger is slim and also attaches magnetically, which is so much more convenient. By the way, the Redmi Watch 2 Lite comes with a larger 262 mAh battery, which Redmi claims to last for 10 days with typical use and 5 days with heavy use. It should take about 2 hours to fully charge. Now, let's have a closer look at the watch. So we see a very familiar Redmi watch design with a few tweaks here and there. Special mention about the straps, it's flexible, it's soft and extremely skin friendly. Now the watch weighs just 35 grams, making it light enough to be worn to bed to track your sleep. The blue and black strap variants are antibacterial too, which means that bacteria cannot live on the surface of that material, preventing the spread of illness and infection. Amazing. The frame is made of polycarbonate with a matte black finish. On the other side, we see a flat button. Then the back too is made of polycarbonate. However, I must say that the build quality is truly impressive. You can see the health monitoring sensors in the center along with the charging terminals below. Now these straps too can be replaced by just simply pressing this button. Very easy. Now Redmi has some amazing strap colors for this watch. You should definitely check them out. I'll leave the links in the description. Alright, let's quickly pair it. Now download the Xiaomi Wear Lite app on your iPhone or Xiaomi Wear app on your Android phone. Don't worry, the app is absolutely identical. Click on the plus sign, add device, look for Redmi Watch 2 Lite, then you take the watch and press the button for a couple of seconds to power it on. There you go. We see the Redmi smartwatch name show up. Click, confirm on the watch and you're done in a couple of seconds. Super duper simple. Now let's check out the new bigger display. 1.55-inch TFT display with a resolution of 320 by 360 pixels. The text is super crisp and the color reproduction is quite punchy. It also gets bright enough to use outdoors. However, there's no auto brightness feature, so you'll have to set it manually from the settings. The bezels are barely noticeable, especially if you have a black watch face set. Now I'd say that's really impressive considering it's a TFT LCD display. Talking about watch faces, we get about 4 or 5 pre-installed, but the saving grace is there's a huge collection to download from the Xiaomi Wear app. We have the Spider-Man No Way Home collection, then there's an option to set your own image as a watch face, choose the image from your gallery, click. However, I must say that it took almost a minute to transfer a custom wallpaper to the watch. Then there's mechanical watch faces, formal watch faces, activity, utility, simple watch faces, sci-fi, paintings, science and technology. Oh my god, that's a huge collection. And thankfully, all are free. Go crazy. Then quickly talking about the interface. Well, it's very similar to its predecessor, but it surely feels a lot smoother. Swipe from the top to access notifications and missed calls. Swipe from down to access quick toggles. By the way, you can set alarms directly from your watch, which I find very helpful because in most cases you have to reach out to the companion app. Swipe right on the home page for heart rate. Further, there's SpO2, the weather, workouts and activity. Then press the button to access the menu. Now personally, I'm not a fan of this grid icon format. It can get confusing. Luckily, there's an option in the Xiaomi Wear app to switch this to the list format. There you go. Now you see workouts, activity, stats, heart rate, SpO2, sleep tracking, stress, breathing exercise, women's menstrual cycle tracking, weather, music app to control the music that's playing on your phone. Then there's a camera shutter, alarm, stopwatch, timer, compass, notifications, find my phone, flashlight and settings. Then in the settings, watch faces, brightness levels can be adjusted from here, do not disturb, auto detection feature, toggle on and off for running and walking. It's a very handy feature for some of us who forget to turn on their workouts. Then set a PIN password, then Bluetooth disconnection reminder. In display, there's auto lock, cover to sleep, enable double tap to wake, vibration. Then in systems, there's reboot, power off, reset and about watch. There's almost everything that you could ask for right on your watch. Above that, it's a smooth, clean user experience. Now, one of the key features of the Redmi Watch 2 Lite is multi-navigational system. Now, not only do we get GPS support for this, but also GLONASS, Galileo and Beidou. Now, for those who are confused, what is the difference and how does it help? Well, these are all global positioning satellites from different countries that get the most accurate positioning during an outdoor run, during an outdoor trek, or even during a cycling session. Also, I did use the watch for a short outdoor run and connected to the GPS just in a couple of seconds. Now, the best part is that you don't even need to carry your phone with you to map your run, and the tracking was really accurate. Then once you're done with your workout, you can see some of the info on the watch itself, while a detailed info including the map on the Xiaomi Wear app. Very helpful device if you're an outdoor workout enthusiast. Now, since we're talking about workouts and sports modes, the Redmi Watch 2 Lite comes with over 100 workout modes. You can see the list of some of them right here, and the list you can see here is probably one of the most popular ones, including swimming, as this watch comes with 5 ATM water resistance rating. Then further below, if you want to add more, you can click plus. Then you can go to a list of workouts which are very smartly divided into categories. Then when you click on it, it will get added to the list. Now, for example, you don't need either of these workouts in this list. You can go to the minus sign below and simply remove it. Very convenient. Now, I also wore this watch last night to track my sleep, and you can see some of the details on the Watch Sleep app. Sleep time, wake time, and then if you want more detailed info, you can check it out on the Xiaomi Wear app. There you can even see your beats per minute during your sleep. Now, though I wore it just for one night, it was really comfortable and provided quite accurate readings too. Rest, we get the usual heart rate sensor, which we also tested a couple of times, and it provided the heart rate readings. Same goes for the SpO2 sensor. There you go. Now, these health monitoring trackers on the Redmi Watch 2 Lite seems quite accurate and reliable. But remember, this is a watch, not a medical device, so there could be a margin of error. Use this just for reference and not for medical purposes. Rest, you receive incoming calls with vibration alerts. You can see the caller's name with an option to reject the call or silent the ringer. There's no way to answer the call. Similarly, app notifications are also pushed to your watch, and in most cases, you can read the complete message on the watch itself. However, there's no other way to interact with the message. Now, I would have liked to see at least a preset SMS reply option for an incoming call, but sadly, there isn't one. Let's quickly check out the Xiaomi Wear app. So as you launch the app, in the health section, right on the top, you'll see your daily activity, calories burnt, steps you have taken. Further below, more details about it. If you go back, then down here, you see your daily workout. You'll see a map if you used your GPS for that workout. You'll see the distance, you'll see the time, you'll see the calories burned. A lot more detail right here in this section. Amazing. Now, if you go back here, you see your sleep tracking, beats per minute, steps taken, calories burned, number of times you stood up, moving, blood oxygen level, stress tracking, PAI, women's menstrual cycle tracking, your weight, energy levels, everything is here. Then if you come into workouts, you can actually start your workout directly from here. Outdoor running, walking, outdoor cycling, treadmill. Then in devices, right on the top, you'll see the watch face, the battery percentage remaining. You click on online, you'll see the watch faces that are installed. When you come into online, you'll see the online watch faces that you can download. Further down, app notifications. You can choose from which apps you want notifications and from which apps you don't. Further down, in heart rate, you can choose 24-hour heart rate tracking. Further back, you have sleep tracking. You want advanced monitoring where it will actually even monitor your short day naps. Then blood oxygen level, you can actually even set the frequency, how many times it should be tested. Stress tracking, standing, weather, workouts. So you can choose the workouts you want to keep on your watch and which more you want to remove or keep. It'll be far more easier to organize using this app. Then further down, widgets, app layout, race to wake, help center, check for updates and about devices. Now if you come in here, you'll see all your details about your device including updates. If you come into profile, here you can see I can share my data with Apple Health and Strava. Amazing. So overall I'd say that the app is very well designed, it's clean and super easy to understand. Alright, now before I conclude, let's talk about the cons. Now I know most of you would say you can't answer calls, which is true, and there's no AMOLED display. Now personally for me, not able to answer calls is something I'm totally fine because most Bluetooth calling smartwatches suffer from extremely bad battery life. While here you get amazing 10 days battery life. So I'll take the no phone calling feature. But yes, I will miss the AMOLED display because not only would that provide deeper blacks and vivid colors, but also give us the always on mode feature, which I absolutely love. Thinking of it now, is that why they're calling it the Lite? Well, write down in the comments and let me know what you think. It's priced at $4,999, which might sound pricey, but I'd say it's probably one of the most dependable smartwatches when it comes to accurate tracking, health monitoring, performance, battery life, and the overall experience. Very few smartwatches come with auto workout detection and antibacterial straps in this price point. And that's what makes the Redmi Watch 2 Lite worth it. It's available in 3 colors, black, blue and ivory. Also multiple strap colors that you can buy separately. The sale starts 15th of March on Amazon and the me.com website. I'll leave the links below of everything, the watch, the straps, all the variants. If you like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, mention them down in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them all. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.